Good. Hey guys and gals, of course, my little tagline just came about naturally. The old way. These solder fittings, not like the press, Pro Press, or the PEX. Just the old ways. Everything in the house we had to heat up. Every little fitting in the old days. So now this application requires us to solder right now. You usually want to put the tip of that blue flame on there. I'll try to make it look good. That's about it. When it drips, it's fine. A little white, you don't want to really touch it yet. Take some flux. And now when that silver stuff gets dull, it's cool. Thanks, like and share, subscribe. Appreciate it.